Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to private profile on X. Okay, so first of all, let's open X on your device, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll down until you reach settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section privacy and safety. Now from here go to audience and tagging, and finally at the very top of your page, of your screen, you should see this option that is called protect your posts. So this is the feature that is responsible for making your account private on X. So let's turn it on. And from the moment that you make your account private on X, only your current followers are able to see your content on your X profile. And any new people who want to follow you on X, they must send you follower requests that you must manually decline or approve. So you have to tap your profile picture in the top left, and again in this menu you have to find follower requests page where you can manage your followers. You can either accept them or decline them. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.